Hi everyone, here's another data validation example. Our software can do a lot of validations. For example, it can use regular expressions, it can check date format, it can check if the value is a number. And you can even write your own transformation and validation functions using Python or in embedded language similar to Pascal. So in this example, I'm going to talk about field length validation. So here we have the customer with very long first name. And if you look at the definition in the database, see that we allow only 20 characters. So let's run it and see what happens. We run it and we have one error. And we can see, let's check the log. Our software actually does a data type validation without any additional transformation validation functions. But sometimes we want to do it using validator. And for example, we may want to write it into a different file. I mean the file records. So let's try to say that you want to check the length. Yeah. This case will check the length. So what we do first, we calculate the length. And then we check if the length is more than 20 characters. So calculate the length, and if it is more than 20 characters, we'll file it and we will discard the record. Let's press the merge button, you'll see what I mean. So, okay, so 20, that's fine. Everything is 20, that one is 53. That one should not be 20, should be 3. So that one is, okay, that one 53 is failing. So what we need to do, we need to trim it as well. Otherwise, we will trim it. Otherwise, we might have some false positives because we have trailing spaces. So let's see. Yeah. Excellent. So it is 3 characters that should be. This one is 37. So actually the other way around. So check again. So it is failing now. So the record would be discarded. Or we can just abort it, or we can reject the record and redirect the output to different transformer and write it, for example, write it to failed records file or something like that. But in our case, we just want to discard it. Okay, let's run it again. As you can see, we read 9 records, passed 8, 1 was discarded, and again 8 records went to transformer, and we wrote 8 records. As you can see, validating the data is rather easy, but if you are confused, please go to our support forum and post your questions there, and we will do our best to help you, and you might be surprised how fast you will get the answer back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.